So about 5 years ago, I had a root canal in my tooth, and Dr. Knosson put a cap on it, and it fell off after 5 years. So we made a new one, and that fell off a couple months later, and it just kept falling off. So my only option was to have an implant. He didn't want to do anything else but that. So I waited 9 months because I was nervous. He wasn't going to do the procedure, and I haven't been to anyone but him for 25 years, so I was nervous about it, and I didn't want to do it. So I waited 9 months, and then I came from a tooth cleaning, and Dr. Tubo kind of convinced me that I should really have it done so that my other teeth wouldn't move because there was no tooth there to hold it. So I scheduled it because he was very calming to me and telling me that it won't hurt, and he's done the procedure before, and it was in this office, so I felt comfortable. I felt very anxious and very stressed. I didn't know anybody that had one, and I had read some things on the internet which you probably shouldn't do. And the night before I really couldn't sleep, but I came in the morning and was ready for the procedure. Dr. Tubo put me at ease by telling me that exactly about the procedure. He had some teeth that he showed me that I could see what he was actually going to do. And the most important thing is he told me that it was not going to hurt and that it was going to be the best permanent solution to my problem, that I would probably never have any problems with that tooth ever again. So I felt good, and I felt good that Dr. Tubo was going to do it. The procedure went fine. I came in at my time. Dr. Tubo gave me my Novocaine in my mouth. He waited probably 15 minutes. He came back in, and he told me what he was going to do. I explained everything as he went along the procedure. He pulled my tooth first, and I did not even realize he pulled it. He said, "Oh, the tooth is out," and I was very nervous about that because I had had a tooth pulled many years ago that was not a pleasant experience, but he was wonderful. I didn't even know it was out, he told me. And the procedure itself probably was about an hour. It was very similar to a root canal, only not as bad. I did not have any pain at all. He was very comforting. Dr. Tubo was very comforting during the procedure, telling me if I need a break, he would stop. If I needed more Novocaine, just to let him know. Dr. Tubo told me along the procedure, we're 50% done, we're 75% done, everything is going good, very calming, very, wonderful. And I had no pain, not a single bit. I was waiting for some pain. I went home, I waited for it to wear off, and I had some painkillers. I never took one. I just took ibuprofen for the swelling. I did not feel any pain at all during the procedure or after, not a single bit. I would definitely send anybody here, and I actually told Dr. Tubo that I would talk to anybody on the phone, and he suggested I come for this because it was painless, and the worst part about the whole thing was before, waiting and anticipating. The procedure itself was not bad at all, and I think this office is wonderful. It's so clean, and the people here are so wonderful, and they were true to their word. I didn't have any pain, and I was assured I wouldn't. I would tell anybody that to come here.